So good morning, everybody. As always, welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by for a few. My name is Rich. I'm the channel host. And today I just wanted to catch everybody up. We're definitely on the mend here, recovering from the hernia surgery that went down the other week. And so I, of course, have been impatiently waiting to get back to work. So go figure, this week we end up getting a multi-day snowstorm. So this is literally what's going on outside this morning on screen. So you can see the Titan is nice and well covered with snow. Yesterday we had a couple of inches. Today we've got a couple more inches, and apparently this is going to go on into the afternoon and evening. But we'll see the sun again probably on Sunday. And then we'll have a couple clear days, and then we're going to have more of this. And this is the type of weather, hey, we're not out flying it. And I am impatient to get back on the job. And we do have several client jobs that we'll be getting to once the weather clears as well, and provided that I'm still on the mend in a good way. So in the meantime, I had already been planning, we've been putting together a new class over at classes.azdrone.net. Let's switch the screen here and let's go ahead and put it up. And we are doing a new course that is focused completely around our solstice project that we've been doing for over a year now. We still probably have another year and a half of documentation for the clients. And so this is a great one to share with folks who are learning about doing, larger construction progression reporting setups. So as you can see, I've already started laying out the class. We actually do have the full course outline already set, but I have been doing recordings this week. And one of the big problems is we want to do a lot of this on site. So I want to get out there right now, but of course you just saw what the weather's doing. So once things clear up, we're going to be going and doing our full flight patterns, talking about each of the flight setups we did for the clients, talked about the additional services that they've requested over time, because we've been building and building for these guys, and everything we've been doing has been positive and useful to them. So they've expanded the service offerings that we're doing, and all of that's going to be coming into this class. So the class is not available yet. If you go over to classes.azdrone.net, you won't find it. It's hidden. Once we get a few more segments in, we will be putting out a beta, and that goes out to all of our folks who bought our full class bundle that covers all of our courses. They'll be getting a notice that the new course is coming together. And the whole idea of that is that I can get some feedback from current students on what they like in it and what we should take out of it, and also what we should add to it if they have other requests. So if you're interested in this and interested in doing the types of jobs that we do, just take a look through the channel here if you're new, and you'll see the types of things we're doing for our clients. If you're interested in that, be sure to like and subscribe on YouTube, and also you can go over to classes.azdrone.net and you can sign up there and get notified directly from the class platform as well. So we do have more, but we started out with our class intro. We've got our most basic deliverables, because we're going to talk about all these deliverables that these customers are getting, and that's still photography. And then we're going to talk about our video deliverables. We're going to talk about 360s. We're going to talk about orthomosaics and 3D models as well. And the really cool thing is that we can go out to this job site, fly it all, bring you along for the entire time on the job site, and then bring you along here in the studio with all the steps in the process that we do to make these types of customized setups and presentations for our clients. So we're a little delayed. I was looking to launch the beta probably March 1st, but we're going to be working around this weather. So if it's not a medical thing, it's a weather thing. I got to tell you, it's getting really frustrating, because I just want to get back to work and start sharing with you guys on YouTube and with our classes as well. So as soon as we get better weather and the health is still doing good, we're going to be digging right into this. But some of this stuff, I really need to go out into the field to walk you through it and show you everything that gets set up. All right, everybody, there's the update from azdrone.net. And if you're bored, go check one of the weather apps and see what the weather's looking like here in northern Arizona. All right, everybody, we'll see you again in the real near future. Stay safe, stay warm, don't fly in the snow. We'll see you.